Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix mouse disappeared Windows 10 laptop or PC. To start, right-click on the Start menu and open the Device Manager. Here, open the option Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Right-click on the mouse driver so that you can then select the option Update Driver. After this, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Now click on the option Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. You will select the new driver and click Next. Wait for it to be installed. You will click Close and in the pop-up window click Yes so that the system is restarted. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you log in, you can see that the mouse pointer is visible. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.